My life, what it was on the vision board and what it is now in reality are any delay in marriage, then make sure you stick, maybe take a screenshot if possible of even people who have won lotteries have put a vision board where I can't just put words here. It's extremely important to have two vision boards. So the intention should be always pure. So that's one tip I want to give. You can plan it and then you can make sure all of these happen in reality. Everything can be planned before. That's correct. If you want to manifest somebody and you have a vision. Hi Atma, Namaste. I'm pretty excited today because it's all about the vision board you see here. My life, what it was on the vision board and what it is now in reality are almost the same. And I hope the same happens to all of you. So let's see how to make a vision board. What is a vision board? What happens in the vision board? All about it. So as you can see here, there's a pink board in front of me and you can see titles and you can see the, pins tagged to it and colorful sketch pens, post-it notes here, all of these. So materials required to start a vision board are just one board like this, a pin-up board where you can pin things to it. The second thing is post-it notes where it's all colorful and we can also color code it based on our wishes and dreams. And then sketch pens or any pen that you feel are in sync with your feelings and resonate with you the most. Your favorite colors, bring them all with you to make vision board with us today. So once you have all the materials with you, so vision. So as the name suggests, so there is a vision in your head on how your life should be. For instance, if your relationship is not so great, you would want it to be the most happening relationship. Or if you want to manifest somebody and you have a vision that, one day this person should be my partner. So the same way, not just relationship, your career, your travel, your spirituality, your marriage, your kids, everything can be planned before. That's correct. You can plan it and then you can make sure all of these happen in reality. So make sure your intention is pure and true to yourself and other people. With vision board, you're not supposed to harm anyone. So make sure. So let's say if I have a career vision in my head, so the intention should be a good one. With that career, I need to provide for my family. With that career, I have to make fame, name and have greed and make a lot of money. Probably manifestation won't work for you. Vision boards won't work for you. So the intention should be always pure. So that's one tip I want to give you before you start with your vision board. So as the name suggests, so whatever you have in your mind will be put up on the board as if it's already happened with proper affirmations for each, things in your life. So each section in your life, we're going to make one board with a heading there where we give career and where we give spirituality as the name for that vision. Okay, so let's come back to the board here. As you can see, I've mentioned relationship, wealth, career, children, education, job promotion, marriage, retirement, health, dream house, spirituality, fame. So whatever I could think of, I have covered here. What I could not think of, leave it in the comment section. I might give you affirmations for it if possible, that is. All right. It's extremely important to have two vision boards. So the first thing is a shorter vision board where, very short-term goals can be achieved through that, and a long-term vision board like 5 years, 10 years, what your life should be like. So have them both ready with you. You can keep short-term vision board just as the first pointer here and the long-term vision board down, like maybe in a paragraph, one paragraph. The first 2 points will be shorter goals that you can achieve immediately. And the second, third, fourth, fifth points can be your long-term goals. So we'll go one by one. So I've made a vision board here for 2025. Although I've not put everything that I want here, I've just put it as an example so that you all have an idea. So here we write goals, then we write 2025 because we are in this year. Next, Here I have written career. So my career is Unique Tarot 1111. So here I've written helps millions with good work. Okay, so I've not put it as, I need to make money. So as you can see here, I've put very good intentions here, and that I have to be by heart as well. In my heart, I have to have that vision. I can't just put words here and be like, okay, universe should understand. Genuinely, I should have this thought, what I've written here. So 2.3 million followers on YouTube. So if I want to reach that many people on YouTube, then I have to have a vision of reaching that many people with my good work. 3 million followers on Instagram. So increase reach. So that's my intention, to increase my reach and help more people. So you understood, right, what to write as your vision here. So here, what is the short thing that I can do here? Short-term goal, what you can write here is for your career, promotion. Like let's say we come out of Unique Tarot, you will write for yourself promotion by June. Okay, and maybe hike by June or April. So short period, like 2 to 3 months, what you can achieve, you can write there for your career. Now, if you're studying and you don't have a career yet, so I have stuck here, as you can see, police, doctor, maybe in aviation, whatever is your dream job that you want to achieve or career that you want to explore, then take a printout of that and stick it underneath here like this. Okay, so make sure you write affirmations and your visions very specifically. See why I have put numbers here, 2.3, 3. All of these are something you have to be very specific. Be as specific as possible. Even people who have won lotteries have put a vision board where they have written a very specific number. Although I don't promote anything like that, but they have become very specific. So that's one tip I want to suggest. So put in printouts like this. Okay. So, job promotion, here I've put a very fancy, sticker where it is written fantastic. So you have to stick it in a place where you can see it every day. So make sure it is somewhere in your room where you can see. See, we can't hide a vision board. It has to be open and out there so that you can see it every day. So it's important for you to stick it in front of your, bedroom, where you can just wake up and see it, wall of your bedroom, something like that. So education. So here we are moving outside the career, education. So let's say you're a student and you're still studying. So what will you write in your vision board? I'm focused and determined. I absorb new information easily and effectively. You see how I'm not focused on marks. You see how I have written the affirmations, which are good intentions. I'm dedicated to my education. I excel in all my academics. I have sharp mind and score well in all my exams. So you see how beautifully the words are written here. So make sure you modify it based on your intentions. The next thing here is children. So if you want to have a baby, okay, and you want your children to, listen to you or, live a very nice life, because as parents, we want our children to have a nice life. So what will you write? My son should score 100% in IIT. No, you'll write they are loved and appreciated, right? And they are brave and strong. You want your kids to thrive. So make sure you focus on that intention. They're special, kind and honest. I'm proud of them. They are grateful for our family. They excel in all fields and they are, very loving. So this is what you'll write for your children. If you want your children to do well, and you want them to have nice career, good friends, good partners, this is what you'll do for your children. Okay. Next, if you want to have a kid and you are married and you don't have a kid and you want to manifest a kid, so in your vision board, you will paste pictures of, small kids like this, okay, who are happy and who are playful, who are there like baby here, all these, pictures of kids. And then you will write affirmations. I'm so happy and grateful now that I have conceived happily and I have a very loving and kind kid in my arms, playing, being playful. So you can modify like these and paste pictures of the kids that you want to have, paste them. Like you want a very naughty kid, then paste a picture which is representing that in front of you. Okay. Next, wealth. So wealth is something which is extremely important, right? So we need money. We need money. So it's important to make sure you write these affirmations. I attract money easily and effortlessly. I'm worthy of wealth and financial success. I attract wealth happily in my life. I have abundant money always. Money is my friend. Something like this, whatever you resonate, choose it and write it. Next, dream house. I want you to make sure you take a close look of these affirmations each time and maybe take a screenshot if possible of these affirmations I've written. If you can modify, that is great. So dream house, stick a nice dream house, exactly how you want the house to be. Draw it and stick it, or take a printout of it. Give a prompt to any of the AI, whatever image it generates, print it and stick it on your vision board. Same thing for your spirituality and fame. Stick the pictures which are resonating with your dreams and visions. Last, I will come to the relationship. Relationship, you paste 5 love languages as your vision board pictures. Paste them acting very kindly towards you. Paste you all going on a holiday. All of these things for your relationship to work out for the best. And marriage, any delay in marriage, then make sure you stick that you're getting married, you are finding your dream man or woman, and stick the pictures. And here I have travel and health. So travel, look at that. There is a cable car here. Maybe I will attach a photo of me being under the cable car or inside the cable car. Unknowingly, I've just pasted it here and it has come true and it has become my reality. So you would like to do your research properly before you do a vision board. Next, travel. So whatever states you want to visit or country you want to visit, make sure you stick a picture of that. And health wise, I have good food here, exercises here, happy family here, kids here, cycling here. So that is how you do your vision board. I hope this video was extremely helpful for you. And if you have more doubts, leave it in the comment section. Thank you so much. Atma Namaste.